Okay, hello. All right, in the mag lumber for 2027, we've updated the tenon tool. I'll show you the old version of the tenon tool had design variations. So the old version you would drag on here and you would have these selections to choose for. You want a 1/2 inch wide tenon by 1 5/8 deep. Okay, there you have it. And if you wanted to change it, you just right click, go to design variations and change the thickness of your tenon. You'd have handles here. You can pull the depth of the tenon as well. All right, and the height. Okay. So in the new release, we've eliminated the design variations and we swapped them out with quick parameters. So how that works is when you drag in your whoops, sorry, we got to set that here to show the parameters, right? So if we go and drag this in to the same point, the parameters will now pop up where you can change the width and the depth in this dialog. We'll just leave and say apply. Okay, and then if you clean it, it's much cleaner. We got rid of the handles. All right. um, Now, if you needed to change the height of this, you would have to come into the cross section and manually just drag these out like that and finish the shape. The reason we did that is we just really wanted to keep it easier. So if you want to click change at any time, you can change your parameters here by clicking the orange icon. All right. If you don't like this approach, let us know and we'll add the old tenon back in. All right. Enjoy.